Okay, so hello friends, this is Shivam Srivastava and this is my desktop and now I just want to create a plugin. I'm just going to tell you how to create a plugin inside of WordPress. So this is my WordPress dashboard. You can see this is the admin of WordPress and here in this section there is a plugin option and inside the plugin option you can see installed plugin option where there is three plugins I have in my WordPress, that is Akismet Anti-Spam, which is a default plugin, Hello Dolly, which is also a default plugin, but there is a custom plugin. This custom plugin is created by me and it's not a very tough thing to create a plugin inside a WordPress. The few things you are required to create a plugin inside a WordPress, that is knowledge of some coding languages like PHP, and because we know that WordPress is fully created inside of PHP, so you have a basic knowledge of a PHP and JavaScript, HTML, and CSS to create a plugin inside of WordPress. So now you can see that here is I have created a PHP tag, and inside a PHP tag, let me show you from beginning. So now this is my WordPress directory, and inside WordPress directory this is the WP admin, this is WP content, WP includes, and these all the other files. Here in WP content we have a theme, upgrade, uploads, index, file, and plugin option. Inside the plugin option there is a custom plugin which is created by me, and inside this custom plugin I have a file, that is custom plugin. This one is the file. Now you can here see that there is some parameters, some commented thing I have right here, which is important for the plugin, which is important for the WordPress to recognize this file as a plugin. First of all, in comments we have to write the plugin name, that is the custom plugin. If I write here that new custom plugin. Now here I have changed the name of my plugin, that is new custom plugin, and I can see here that the name should also change from here, and you can see that it's new custom plugin. This is also changed here. So this is the way how can we create